What's up, y'all? First video, kind of awkward, but since I'm slow, I may as well do one. Today we're working on a 14 Cruise. Very light damage on the front bumper. Most of it should feather out. Little right there. We're only going to be painting the bumper. I told the customer that the color might not match perfect because we're going to be putting the color right up next to the edge, but they don't really care. It's a cheap car, so they just want to save some money and just fix the obvious damage. Then we have a little damage down there. Nothing crazy, but yeah, we're gonna take the clear coat all the way up to there, and then we're gonna throw some blender down there and just be painting just this corner, and then I will fast forward and you'll see the process. Alright, so there it is, all taped up. Like I said, I'm gonna clear up to there, and I'm gonna throw the blender. So I'm gonna stop my clear right here, and then throw the blender down here, just to keep it cost effective. I'm just gonna start sanding this with 180 grit, as well as down there. Gonna go to 320, then to 400 to smooth it out even more. Probably gonna use some glaze right there just to fill that, and I will do that now. Alright, so I just sanded it with 180. There's going to be a skim coat right there. This is going to get a skim coat, and then there's a little spot right there. Little skim coat down there, and then a little down there. Alright, so I went ahead and I scuffed the bumper with just a gray Scotch-Brite. There's one of these. Again, stopping the clear right there. Went ahead and put the filler on as well. And then I will sand it and let you guys see that. Alright, now we just got a block and some 320 grit. I'm just gonna block it, sand it down real fast. Alright, so I got it all masked up. I know people are gonna say I should mask the whole car, but in my opinion, not really needed all the time, especially with the wind direction. But that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, I got it all masked up. Gotta fix that. But I put this piece of tape right there to catch the paint. So I'm gonna be spraying right there so it doesn't go in the wheel well. And now we're just gonna use some wax and grease remover to clean it off, tack it, and then throw on some primer. Alright, primer dry. Now I got some 600. I'm just gonna start wet sanding it and until it's smooth and flat. And then after that, we'll give it another quick scuff, tack it, and then we can start putting some color on. Alright, I prepped it off, or I scuffed it, prepped it, and tacked it. So now we're ready for our base coat. This is our second coat. I just tacked it off and don't spray the third coat now. Ran out of color, so I had to make some more, but here's the rest of the third coat. This will be our fourth coat, I believe. Alright, and this is our, I think, fifth. Silver takes forever, but this will be our last coat. Alright, just tacked it off, gonna put the first coat of clear on. I just did a little spray out of this 4-to-1 clear, and it looks like, or feels like watered. So I'm expecting a run or 2 or 3, but yeah, coat 1 or 2. Alright, here's our second and final coat. It's clear. Use this for our blender. Alright, so here's our after once it's all done, untaped. There's a few imperfections that I see that's gonna drive me crazy. I'll probably lose some sleep over it tonight. First one, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on camera. Let's see. I don't know, right here, it's, I don't know if you see it, maybe right there where my finger is. The body work wasn't perfect. With silver, you have to be spot on or you're gonna see everything. Down here, I don't know if you can see, I think I scuffed a little too hard, and you can see some of those little scratches. And then as well as, I don't know if you guys can see it. Can't get out of the sheet. But there's an area right there that's that I can see, but I don't know if a normal person will see it, but just trust me, it's right there. But we sprayed our blender right there and then down there. But yeah, that is the after. Thank you guys for watching, and leave as many hate comments as you feel or as you'd like to.